Welcome back to HomeSpot. Are you dreaming of transforming your backyard into a tropical paradise without draining your wallet? Well, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving into 20 incredible ideas to give your backyard that lush, tropical vibe, all on a budget. From DIY furniture and creative lighting to lush greenery and unique decor, we've got something for every style and space. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to turn your backyard into the ultimate getaway. Let's get started. Transforming your backyard into a tropical paradise doesn't have to break the bank. Let's start with DIY pallet furniture, a cost-effective way to bring charm and comfort to your space. Using reclaimed wooden pallets, you can craft benches, tables, or even loungers with minimal effort. Pair these with soft cushions in vibrant colors or tropical patterns to complete the look. Once your furniture is ready, arrange it amidst lush greenery for a relaxing oasis. Speaking of greenery, nothing says tropical like an abundance of vibrant plants. Adding tropical plants is an affordable way to enhance the lushness of your backyard. Look for hardy and budget-friendly varieties such as monstera, ferns, hibiscus, and palms. You can even grow some from cuttings to save more. Plant them in colorful pots or directly into the soil for a more natural vibe. Grouping plants of varying heights creates depth and makes your space feel like an exotic jungle. With the plants in place, let's brighten things up with some magical lighting. Lighting is the key to creating a dreamy ambience. String lights draped across trees or along fences provide a warm glow perfect for evening relaxation. Solar-powered lanterns are an eco-friendly and affordable option, adding charm without increasing your electricity bill. The interplay of light with the surrounding plants will make your backyard come alive at night, perfect for cozy gatherings. For even more privacy and intimacy, consider adding a touch of bamboo. A bamboo privacy screen is an excellent way to create a secluded retreat in your backyard. Not only is bamboo affordable, but it also adds a distinct tropical aesthetic. You can build one using bamboo poles or woven panels. Position it along your seating area to block unwanted views while enhancing the overall theme. Add some hanging plants or fairy lights to make it even more enchanting. Next, let's get creative by repurposing items for unique tropical decor. Turn everyday items into stunning backyard decor. Repurpose barrels into planters, or use old wooden crates to create a tropical shelf for small plants and trinkets. With a splash of paint and vibrant hues, these items can seamlessly blend into your tropical theme. It's all about using what you already have to make something extraordinary. Now, let's elevate the serenity of your backyard with a water feature. A small water feature instantly transforms your backyard into a tranquil haven. Create a mini pond or fountain using simple materials like stones, a water pump, and a container. Surround the feature with tropical plants to enhance the natural vibe. The gentle sound of water flowing adds an unmatched calming effect, making your space a perfect escape. Comfort is essential, and nothing says comfort like cozy seating with tropical flair. Add pops of color to your backyard with tropical-themed cushions and throws. Choose fabrics with patterns of leaves, flowers, or even birds for that island-inspired look. These textiles not only enhance the aesthetic, but also make your seating area more inviting. Mix and match colors to create a lively atmosphere that reflects the tropical paradise you envision. To complement your seating, let's set up a tropical-inspired outdoor bar. An outdoor bar or drink station is a fun addition to your tropical makeover. Build a simple bar using reclaimed wood or bamboo and decorate it with tiki-style accents. Stock it with refreshing drinks, colorful glasses, and small tropical ornaments. This space becomes the perfect spot for entertaining guests or enjoying a quiet evening cocktail. To tie everything together, let's refresh the deck with a budget-friendly makeover. Revive your backyard deck using interlocking wood tiles. They're easy to install and bring a fresh, polished look without a hefty price tag. Pair this with lush plants placed strategically around the deck to create a seamless blend between your seating area and the tropical garden. Add an outdoor rug with bold patterns to complete the transformation. For those with limited space, a vertical garden is the perfect solution. Maximize your backyard space with a vertical garden. Use wooden pallets, shelves, or hanging pots to create a wall of greenery. Choose plants like philodendrons, ferns, or bromeliads to enhance the tropical theme. Not only does this save space, but it also adds a stunning visual element that draws the eye upwards. Now, let's add a relaxing touch that takes your backyard comfort to the next level. A hammock or swing is a must-have for any tropical retreat. Install a hammock between trees or on a sturdy frame, and complement it with soft pillows and tropical prints. If you prefer a swing, use wood and rope to create a charming, rustic design. These features invite relaxation and are perfect for lazy afternoons. Let's also explore how to enhance the flow of your backyard with a beautiful pathway. A pathway can serve as both a functional and decorative element in your backyard. Create a tropical-inspired walkway using materials like stones, gravel, or wooden planks. Border the pathway with lush greenery, vibrant flowers, or even small lanterns to guide the way. The natural texture and earthy tones will complement your tropical theme, making the journey through your backyard feel like an escape into paradise. Now that we've laid the groundwork, let's add some shade for those sunny days. Adding a DIY canopy or awning provides much-needed shade while enhancing the cozy atmosphere of your backyard. Use light, flowing fabric like white or beige to create a breezy, tropical vibe. Drape the fabric over wooden poles or an existing pergola. The combination of shade and natural light filtering through the fabric creates a relaxing space perfect for lounging or entertaining. With your shaded space ready, it's time to ground the area with a tropical-themed rug. An outdoor rug can define your seating area and tie the entire space together. Look for rugs with bold, tropical prints in greens, blues, or yellows that mimic the lushness of a tropical environment. Place it beneath your seating area or under a coffee table to add warmth and style. A weather-resistant rug will ensure durability while maintaining a vibrant and inviting aesthetic. As the evening sets in, let's light up your backyard with creative, upcycled lighting. Lighting can transform the mood of your backyard, and upcycled fixtures add a unique touch. Repurpose old bottles, jars, or cans into tiki torches or lanterns. Paint them with tropical colors or designs, then place them strategically around your garden. These DIY lights not only save money but also give your backyard a personalized, charming glow that fits the tropical paradise theme. Let's also talk about sustainability with a rainwater collection system. A rainwater collection system is both eco-friendly and practical, especially for maintaining a lush tropical garden. Use a decorative barrel with tropical patterns to blend it into your backyard design. Set it up to collect water from your roof or gutters, and use the stored water for irrigation. This sustainable approach keeps your plants healthy while reducing water waste, perfectly aligning with the tropical theme. Now that your garden is thriving, let's add an artistic touch to the walls. Transform a plain outdoor wall into a vibrant focal point with tropical-themed art. Paint a mural featuring palm trees, exotic flowers, or a sunset to create a stunning backdrop for your garden. Alternatively, hang weather-resistant artwork or decorative panels with tropical motifs. This addition will elevate your backyard's visual appeal and make it feel like a true escape. Let's not forget the cozy charm of a fire pit for those cooler tropical evenings. A fire pit is a great way to add warmth and create a gathering spot in your backyard. Build one using inexpensive materials like bricks or stones, and surround it with wooden chairs or benches. Add a tropical touch with cushions, torches, or nearby plants. This feature is perfect for relaxing with friends and family, all while staying within the tropical paradise theme. Finally, let's bring everything together with a beach-inspired lounging area. A beach-inspired lounging area is the perfect finishing touch for your tropical backyard. Use sand or gravel to create the base, then add a few wooden planks or paving stones to define the space. Surround it with potted plants, a pergola, or even a DIY canopy for shade. Add comfortable seating or a hammock, and you've got a beautiful retreat reminiscent of a tropical beach getaway. And there you have it. With these 20 budget-friendly ideas, creating your tropical backyard paradise is easier than ever. From DIY pallet furniture to lush tropical plants, cozy lighting, and even edible gardens, there's something here to inspire everyone. Which idea was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear how you're planning your backyard makeover. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to HomeSpot for more amazing home and garden ideas, and hit that bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Happy decorating!